Hello students, welcome back to Science and Technology channel. Before going into concept, if you are not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. We have already explained the subtopics in heat, 7 subtopics: heat, temperature, thermal equilibrium, specific heat, condensation, boiling, melting and freezing. In my first video, we have already explained heat. Now in this video we are going to explain temperature and thermal equilibrium. Thermal equilibrium. When two bodies are in thermal contact. Thermal contact. Then heat energy will flow from heat energy will flow from a body at higher temperature body at higher temperature, to the body at lower temperature. When two bodies are in thermal contact, heat energy will flow from body at higher temperature to body at the lower temperature until both the bodies will attain will attain the same temperature attain the same temperature. Then at that stage, we will say that both the bodies have achieved thermal equilibrium. Okay students, hope you can understand. By this we can conclude that temperature is the measure of thermal equilibrium. Temperature, we have already discussed about temperature in my previous video. The degree of hotness or coldness of a body is called temperature, or it describes, here it means the temperature describes how hot or cold the body is. Okay students, hope you can understand. Temperature, example in our daily life. Just think about an example in our daily life, the example which you have expressed. If we are suffering with fever, we go to the hospital. The doctor will check our body temperature first. Remember this point, students. If we have fever, if we have fever, obviously our body temperature will have more heat than the temperature readings will be more. Temperature in terms of thermal equilibrium, students. Okay, students, if you have any doubts, ask through comments. Temperature in terms of thermal equilibrium. If we check the temperature of any body, we will use some instruments, like for example thermometer. It is the basic thing if we are usual to check the temperature of anybody, so that for checking the temperature of our or any body, we use we will use we will contact the body and thermometer. Thermally means the body and thermometer will in thermal contact. According to thermal equilibrium, the t- the bodies the body and the temperature, sorry students, temperature కాదు, thermometer will achieve thermal equilibrium state. Then we will note the temperature temperature is the measure of thermal equilibrium. We have already said that before. So that temperature is the measure of thermal equilibrium. Why? Because here I will give you the reason, students. Please listen carefully. The thermal equilibrium of a body and the and the thermometer. Here thermometer is an instrument, so thermometer or any other instrument, we have the thermal equilibrium of a body, and thermometer will give us temperature of that particular body which is in thermal contact with the thermometer. Units, every as we know, every physical quantity has its own units of thermometer: Celsius in Celsius units, and in SI units Kelvin. Okay students, temperatures units of temperatures are Celsius units Celsius and Kelvin in SI units. The temperature in Kelvin scale is absolute temperature. Okay, okay students, thanks for watching my video. Please do subscribe to my channel. If you have any doubt, ask through comments.